I'm very happy to share with you our collaborative robot project. Then Davide Bonzini from Italia Automazione and I will develop in our Chiesi control R&D labs. This project kept me busy more than 1 year and a half. It was the first time we decided to introduce a robot in our company, collaborative robot, and we faced different challenges regarding safety and respect of the regulations. This is very important because this robot is located in our GMP labs, which follow strict rules, good manufacturing practice rules. Here is a quickly summary of topic that we cover this today. Let me introduce Chiesi Farmaceutitica. Is the company I work for. How the R&D strategy influence our the project. Why the strategy and how the Cobot system work by Davide, and finally the challenges of the future. Before diving in, let me introduce Chiesi. Chiesi is a biopharmaceutical group, and last year we reached more than 3 billion of sales, with more than 7,000 people works, and we are present in 100 nations. We have 7 R&D hubs. The biggest is in Parma, Italy, and our core business is air, respiratory disease, rare disease, and care, which include neonatology, healthcare consumer, and special care. Every year, Chiesi invests more than 24% in innovation, in R&D, and this allows us to invest in innovation, so to have more better product and services. But always ensure the health and the safety of the patients. Why is innovation so important for Chiesi? In 2020, R&D team defined our strategy, and with the clear goals to change the R&D and to obtain 3 big goals. Data-driven, so we have better decision more faster, not just influence with the experience. To stay competitive, that is change the way of the people works in Chiesi and to get better our flow. And we translate this strategic plan in an operative plan that we call Organization of the Future, based on 5 important pillars. Data management, so on focus the data governance. Infrastructure, divided in the data fabric and our new process. The idea is to change the way of the people works, realizing and design the new environment, but not just for the space, for example, innovation, automated spaces, but the environment, how the people make the central of daily work, the data flow, so we can have better products and services. To design this big project, we need, of course, new tools, but not technical, just normal tools. We can image the data analysis, machine learning tools, automated, and, of course, technical skills, but just not technical skills. We need the new skills for all the people here R&D we want to have embraced the future. So, in this big design, the Cobot system was the pioneer and the first project for the collaborative robot. And GTD, my department, Global Technical Development, defined the operative plan, but before, with GTD. You know, in Farmaceutica, we have 3 big departments, clinical, preclinical, and CMC, that in Chiesi we call GTD. Preclinical works with the molecule, clinical works with the clinical study with the patients, And the GTT takes the molecule and work to realize the drugs, the product, until our submission. So we define the drug form, we choosing how the excipient to have the safety product and stability. We have a study for stability study, device study, and finally there is my group, Digital Data and Modeling. So we have innovative and new tools to support the design of the drugs and product. We decide to have this first project in quality control labs. All the external material who arrive in Chiesi, before to be used in our labs, is very important. They have to pass the quality control. But the operator who works in this lab works also in another labs, and it's so difficult for them to manage this flow. So we start to think how we can integrate the new concept of the organization of the future with the more than typical or normal labs today. And the solution is Cobot-DATA, Cobot system. This is a robot who, thanks to COPA-DATA Xenons, is integrated within our balances and filler, and replace the manual operation for our operator, and waiting three kind of materials, canister, valves, and capsule. And how you can see in this picture, the robot pick up the canister, wait the canister, return the canister in the specific location, repeat the action for the whole batch, produce electronic report in PDF, and of course we have a one database. This project today is validated and in use in Chiesi. Looking at the Cobot system has several benefits. Of course, in terms of automation, because we have the control of the full process, and we reduce the human error, and respect, of course, the data integrity, and we have shared the data. When I said before we have one database, it's not database just for GTD, CMC, but for all R&D information, and this database is linked to our global database. So we have an important infrastructure so to share the information, the data, and other things. And how the Cobot system works, Davide, please.
Thank you, Laura. Yes, I'd like to briefly introduce you how the system is made. There are several different devices, like the collaborative robots, the analytic scale, automatic doser system, some 3D printed parts for the custom pallets, trays, for the end effector of the robot. There are custom design to realize this pick and place multi-product solution. And of course, the constraint was to put everything together and to satisfy all the requirements that the business and the regulatory and pharmaceutical industry have give to us. And so we decided to put the Zenon in the middle, and with the Zenon logic, the software PLC, we can able to connect the robot. Of course, we have got the Profinet, and for the dosing, for the scale, and for all the standard function for the SCADA. We have got the alarms, events of the trail. We have got advanced recipe management with all the life cycle, and for the other services that are typical part of the corporate IT services, we was able to use the Active Directory for the user management, to save data for the long-time archive in the remote database hosted by virtual machines, and to produce the analysis report, to save them in the shared folder, to let the operators to handle it and to go ahead with the process that they have in the labs. And here we have got the detail of what we've done with the service engine and what we have done with the soft PLC, but the point today is that we already have all the technology to choose which one is the best choice according with the constraints and the requirement. And we can say to you today that we spend the time of our project not defining battery limits or boundaries between business unit, between defining what is ET, what is OT. We put all the requirements, we share all the requirements to all the functions, to share solution, and to listen how we can solve and accomplish what we have to do. And this method is something that naturally merge all the function and help us to go in the direction that we want to achieve. And as Stefan said, I hope that this project could be considered a little step in the direction of joining the rebels and not the empire. So, thank you very much. So, Laura, if you want to go ahead with the conclusion.
Yes, I would say before, the Cobot system was just a pioneer for our project. It's very important for the organization for the future. So we are working for example, for one single layer in our labs. We will have a SCADA for all the balances for all the R&D labs. Or for example, the use of the smartwatch to enter in our labs. So now I know that one video maybe is more important than 100 words. So thank you very much for your attention. And now me and Davide share with you our video.
Thank you.